In Chapter 11, we're looking at the role of employee health at work. By understanding the role of health and safety and the more holistic concept of well-being at work, we can work towards trying to build safer and more fulfilling workplaces. Health at work is considered in several different ways in HRM and OB, from legislation concerned with reducing accidents at work, to considerations of the impact of stress on employees, right through to programs which try to promote well-being at work. We'll discuss both the physical and the mental and emotional health in this chapter, as well as the more all-inclusive concept of well-being. Of course, some work is inherently dangerous, and we're going to take a special look at what can be done to protect people working in those kinds of difficult or risky occupations. In considering both physical and mental health, we'll discuss practical approaches to managing health and well-being at work. Here we're going to give some attention to issues around stress at work, as well as the importance of trying to create safe workplaces. We'll look at the substantial economic impact that stress has, and some of the approaches that organisations have taken to try to minimise stress, or at the very least to help employees to cope with its negative impact. We'll then move on to consider the issue of engagement and the related concept of burnout, because they're closely related to health and well-being, but make a more overt link to performance, so they've become important areas of study for HRM and OB researchers and practitioners. By considering the concept of engagement in more detail, we're going to see how it's related to burnout and workaholism, and what managers can do to ensure that they're providing the resources that employees need, and thereby enhancing their employees' engagement, efficacy and performance.